Welcome to another video on my driving robot Mydfir, which is based on the fischertechnik robot interface, programmed in online mode in Python. Online mode in this case is defined by using radio frequency, wireless control, where the counterpart is right here, and it's equipped with line following sensor, color recognition sensor, and active sonar, and also with buzzer for color recognition and 4 lamps to indicate that how it has seen the light, the line, also for the separate colors, as well as which sonar is being detecting. Also objects to recognize, to be detected by sonar. And sonar doesn't recognize anything, it just detects. So no matter what object it is, it should detect something, and that in itself is already a challenge, because at times it responds on an object or to an object that isn't there, etc. And if there is an object, it doesn't even recognize it or detect it. So that's a bit strange. Anyway, last time I changed the algorithm to find out how fast it dropped the line, and that turned out to be quite fast. So with that, I continue. I put the robot on the line to make at least some kind of a nice start. With the current daylight and no artificial light, I am very curious how it will go this time. So I removed the charging. So now I'm quite sure that the battery is fully loaded, fully charged, or it should be anyway. It has contact. I see that by the different lights flashing. So let's start and see whatever will be happening. And go. The data link is showing flashing light. Okay, this is no good. Also the question is, how does it break this? And it is counting for a number of line breaks, line detections. So it should come to an end now. The question is, does it? Not really so far. Also last time it went like this and then that way. So that's also not really promising. Anyway, let's quit and study the data log. So, yeah, the lightfall doesn't show very much. So let's see if I can change video control a bit, if possible. Brightness, that should do. This is alright, I think. So now we can see something. And then the data. So it says the one is unreliable, which is sonar. Then the question is detect, which goes back on here, and that is our C line detect, our C line detect. Find. Why doesn't it find that? That is not nice. It doesn't do it. Alright, then I'll have to find it out myself, but I know it is in here somewhere. Not there. RC line detect, here we are. But, yeah, okay, so it's this one. But let's go further to the next. I skipped one. No further one, alright. What happens now? Come on. Next. The RC line detect. Okay. Then detect is 2. Now the point is that when the line detect gets larger than 2, that it quits. But how does it quit? It doesn't. So that's a bit of a problem here. If, okay, I have to, see, and if smaller than 2, and then break. So here I should actually say how large is it? Otherwise, I don't know. And this is RC line detect, so I better say RC line detect. Here 2, RC line detect. That is much better. So here, basically, I have to do exactly the same. Although this is R2C line detect. And this one should be here. LC line detect. Here's no break. So actually here should follow a break. Then what is going on here? And line detect is 0. So line detect is 0. And here I have basically the same thing. and this is L2C, also a break, after which follows this one, and again line detect is 0. Any more? No. Okay, so I've set them all. Testing. So let's go here and put it. Yeah, it's already on the track. Now I'm very curious what's going to happen. So let's see. Let's see how things work out. That is sonar and the wrong color detection, or yeah, go. Alright, I have to help it a bit. Something is not quite right. And I realize I forgot something. Okay, let's quit this. Because what I did forget is writing it to, if you look back at here, terminal. Preferences. This is 100,000. So I can go back quite a while, but still not far enough. And if you see that line detect is 0 while it keeps driving, something's odd. Okay, wait. I have to change this, I realize. This is really the first occurrence. So I have to say here, after break, here also after break, otherwise I don't know the difference. But also, well, here it is being written to file, so that in itself is alright. But I also should write it right after here. So and this is also after break. No, after break here. So why am I printing everything on screen as well? Because then I can see what is happening. Otherwise I have to gamble what is going on. And this is then after break. this is again after break. Do I have another one? I don't think so. None. Okay, let's test again. So, going further, putting it in place as straight on the line as possible. Let's check. Is it straight on the line? No, not really. At least it doesn't show like it. Now this is straight on the line, in the middle of the line, assumingly. So, let's keep it this way. And go. Alright, there it goes. In a circle, as I want it. Yeah, I have to help it a bit. So now the problem is, okay, this doesn't go entirely as planned. And there it goes again. Okay, stop. What is going on now? If I now look back here, it says all zeros. So I have to look in here. How many line detections after a break are there? Detect after. This doesn't make any sense. Wait, R2C. That is here. If the get input is 1, 1 is 0 and 2 is 0, and those are the line corrections. And line detect is smaller than 2. Alright, line detect is 1. So, how much is line detect then? 0. It is absolutely 0. Okay, so it takes a while. It takes a long while to become 1. And this is after break. Wait a minute. Yeah, detect after. It's after break. So, here. So line detect is 0. After break is 0. But the weird thing is, how can it be 0 if line detect isn't 0 at the beginning? Because you go here, this doesn't make sense. Unless I make a thinking mistake, because it goes line in 1, etc. That's alright. And if it doesn't comply to this if statement, it goes straight here. So actually I should state if line detect is 2, then do something. That's strange. I am making a thinking mistake somewhere. Right, I am rethinking. The brake shouldn't be necessary. When it is no longer complying to these conditions, it goes out, it leaves it. Then I have the if condition line detect is equal to 2. Then brake becomes 2. And that should be it. Now I have made the exact thing here, but that should be an if. So no brake, but if line detect is 2, and then if no little bit editing. This should all be alright. And this goes wrong. No. This is right. Okay, so this should be fine. However, I have still to adapt this one. But for now, let's do it like this. See whatever happens, because now I'm getting curious how long it will take. I can now look for the value 2. Line detect is 2. I can do so now as well. Line detect is 2. Pattern not found. That's what I mean. But also brake and then 2. Oh, see here. That is the first one. So it becomes 2 anyway. It does become 2. Any more? Yeah. Any more? Nothing. This is LC. Oh wait. There is only one. Look at that. But let's see whatever happens now. I'm quite curious. So and I again have to check if it is in the middle of a thing, or actually it shouldn't matter. Let's do it this way. It starts turning straight away. Oh, that is not good, that is not good. It pushes it away because of the paper, because of the map. not good. Yep, then you have those problems. Ah, that is not nice. Yeah, stop. You can never fix paper like that. Ever. Okay, so what to do? Well, let's just look for data. After break, let's look for break 2. Not found. And how have I pulled it? Well, here break is 2. After 2. Okay. So after 2, nothing. Alright. I have to start over. And let me now put it here, because otherwise I have a problem with this again. Not good. So I will assume it is nicely on the line. And let's go. This is really annoying. Zie wat dit does. So what does it do? This is way too much. Okay. Stop. 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 This is way too much. So, data. After break. Break is break 2. Nothing found. After 2. Because that is what the software says here. After 2. Okay. So, after 2. L to C. After 2. So, line detect is 2. Then why doesn't it follow the line again? Line following. What does it do? I should get functie lijn volgen. I don't see that. Right, back here. L to C. L to C. After 2, right here. Lijn volgen. Why doesn't it do so? It does not do this. This is not good. Ouch. something goes very wrong here. And I should wrap this episode, noticing the time. So something is very wrong with following the line after 2. This goes wrong. But why? And I think that is for next time. And with this conclusion and reasoning, well, I wrap this episode. So thanks for watching. Repeating experiments and finding out how an algorithm has to be rewritten, including finding more mistakes, curious mistakes, curious whys. And that is W-H-Y and not W-I-S-E. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or a suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show your support by making a donation via PayPal or Wired. More information on my website, and you can also show your support by becoming a patron and have your name mentioned on my website, or depending on your pledge, also with my videos. My website is mentioned under this video. Please pay a visit, or please do visit, and enjoy yourself. Anyway, this is going to be continued, obviously. Have a nice day, and bye bye.